So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to grill broccoli.
Oh no.
Well, that's too bad. Anyways, so it's really easy.
We are making the most exciting grilled broccoli in the world. Let's do it.
So this broccoli is a little bit more exciting because it's really heavily seasoned with some garlic and also has some onions in there, and you can use whatever sort of spice blend you'd like. So the first thing that you need to do is just boil, then blanch the broccoli, and that's going to just kind of give it a little softness before it heads to the grill. So then you want to dice up some garlic and chop up some onions. That's going to go in a foil packet with some olive oil and whatever seasoning you'd like. You could use like a poultry blend, an all-purpose blend, a barbecue blend. Any sort of seasoning really goes in that bowl. So you just mix it all together, lay out a sheet of foil, and you're going to grill broccoli in foil. So you don't need to cover it with the foil, but it does need to be the bottom layer. So that's going to go directly on the grill grates for about 10 minutes. You're gonna constantly be flipping the broccoli around so it can cook all over. It's gonna kind of steam in there because it's not directly over the flame. There's a foil in between. So you can move some of the broccoli to the top rack when it's almost done if you wanna give the florets a bit more of a char. This is a super easy grilled side dish recipe, and you could print out all the directions for it at Sip Bite Go. Well, till next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!